Well, this is my latest experiment. Sonically treating water. Now I can turn this thing up even louder. So I've got it working now, it's much louder. Now I've got to get a bigger bass speaker for this. Now what you're seeing here is different from my former experiment using the 12-watt battery pack. Now what I've done here is I used a spare amplifier kit which I built ages ago. Same one I use in my Ghost boxes, and I managed to squeeze in a circuit box, take the potential off the board and put it through there. I've got to cut that shaft short and put a knob on it. And surprisingly, even though the jaycar electronics amplifier kit has two inputs, left channel, right channel input, I'm not using any of them, even though I've got terminals there for one of them. I'm not using any of them, and despite not using any signal input, it's still working. I can turn it up really loud, so loud the water will jump right out of the speaker. As you can see, it's already wet on the bench here a little bit. This is really amazing. Now, the circuit's either got a fault in it and it's motorboating, or if not, it's perfect, exactly what I need. See that? Now, if I turn it up more, better make it jump out. Try to turn it down a bit more. Look at that. Just turn it down, I got that there. If I turn it up louder, this really loud, this water starts jumping out of the speaker. Look at that. I'll turn it down lower. This is perfect. So if you've got a jaycar electronic amplifier, which has a preamp and an amplifier on the one board, it's perfect. And I'm using a 12 volt 1.5 amp power supply for that one instead of a 12 volt battery. Look at that. It looks like it's sitting still, huh? It's just sitting there. The pattern in the water. Not bad. Using a jaycar electronics amplifier with a preamp built into it. It's actually perfect for exactly what I want here for altering the crystalline structure of water. Yeah, I've just got to get a bigger speaker now. That is awesome, that is. Now, one of my former experiments I did, which I didn't upload, I had a mysterious blue light on the edge of the water. It looked like a sonoluminescent glow. And it was pretty bright. It wasn't very tiny. Look at that. Now, if I turn it off, here, hang on, turn it off. There, the water just goes back to normal. It's just got this, the reflection of the blinds near the window here, sort of like on the water there. And that's it there. A jaycar amplifier, preamplifier kit snagged in the box. And even if you don't have a signal input, this is only just for one of the channel inputs. I'm not going to bother using that because it's doing exactly what I wanted to do. The frequency I mentioned before was about between 1 and 200 hertz, or 230 something going upwards. So it's between 200 and 300 really, isn't it? That's not bad. So this is perfect for what I need to alter the crystalline structure of water in my next roadside salt crystal brews. Okay, thank you for watching my latest video.